go to settings, then scroll down, hanapin ang accessibility features, then select accessibility, and then scroll down, hanapin ulit ang accessibility shortcut. Just click in, then nakita itong dalawang arrow na volume R, up and down. Then turn on an accessibility shortcut, then hanapin ang select features like this, tapos i-click ang accessibility menu, then cancel, tapos long press and 3 seconds yung volume up and down. Tapos ito na, dito nyo na makikita sa accessibility ang power, this one. O see,